Okay. Okay. Yes. Overall gain we are discussing. Overall gain is denoted by GV. GV is nothing but V naught by V signal. So GV is nothing but V naught by V signal. So if we observe the equivalent circuit here, V naught by V signal means here this is V naught and V signal. So overall gain is equal to, what is the note I have written? Overall gain is equal to output port gain into input port gain. How to find the output port gain? So I told you overall gain is equal to output port gain. You'll mark madappa, output port gain into input port gain. So how to find the output port? How to find the output port gain? To find the output port gain, we have to find the output voltage V naught. How to find the output voltage V naught? To find the output voltage V naught, we have to apply voltage divider circuit, voltage divider rule here. So what is the equation for V naught when we apply voltage divider rule? V naught is equal to main voltage AV naught into VI into RL divided by R naught plus RL. So we are writing that. Okay. So what we are doing? We are writing the output equation. V naught is equal to voltage divider rule AV naught into VI divided by RL plus R naught. Now you bring this VI to the denominator. So if you bring VI to the denominator, what happens? V naught by VI is equal to AV naught into RL divided by RL plus R naught. So your AV represents the output port gain. Okay. Now I told you for GV, I told you for GV, this is GV is nothing but your V naught by V signal. GV is nothing but your V naught by V signal is equal to output port gain means V naught by VI. So what is V naught by VI I got? AV naught into RL plus R naught I have got. Next I have to find V in by V signal. V in by V signal is the input part gain. So how to find the input part gain? Here I have to find the input part. Where is the input part? Mark Madi. Where is the input part? This is the input part. This one. This one is the input part. That is the input part of the circuitry. So how to find the input gain here? How to find VI here? Anyone will answer? How to find VI? To find VI, again we have to apply voltage divider rule here. So VI is equal to V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Okay, Prithvi? Prithvi? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, we have to find the overall gain V naught by V signal. To find the overall gain, we have to multiply the output port gain into input port gain. So to find the output port gain, we have to find the output voltage V naught. How to find the output voltage V naught, Prithvi? How to find the output voltage V naught? We have to apply
Ma'am, applying voltage divider.
voltage divider rule. V naught is equal to A V naught of VI into RL by RL plus R naught. So here we have got the output voltage for V naught. So V naught by VI will becomes the voltage gain AV. So which is given by AV naught into RL divided by RL plus R naught. This we have got. V naught by V in I got. Now I have to find V in by V signal. So VI by V signal again is obtained by V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Okay. So I have to do like that. So now how to find V in by V signal? I am applying divider rule. V in, I am applying divider rule here. See here, you can see here. Okay. So if you see here, il mark madappa. Illi. Rin, you mark this one. Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. So how to find this? How to find V naught by V signal? How to find V naught, how to find V naught by V in? Once again, how to find VI by V signal? VI is equal to V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Rin plus, so when you write that, when you bring VI by V signal, you will be left out with Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. So that is what you have written here. Idun mark ಮಾಡಿ whole equation. So when you mark, you will obtain as Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. So overall output gain is nothing but
ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಊರಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
AV naught into RL by RL plus R naught, and this is the output part gain, and the input gain is given by RN divided by RN.
ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
Please
ರಮ್ಯಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ನನಗೇನು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆನೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
mute ಮಾಡಿ Sangavi. Okay, so GV is equal to V naught by V in is this one, V in by V signal is this. So this is the formula for GV. Very, very important. Did you all understood? Should I repeat? Neha, latecomer Neha, should I repeat once again? Should I repeat once again? Please answer. Prajwal, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೇಹಾ, ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, GV is given by, GV is nothing but your overall gain. Overall gain is given by V naught by V signal. So how to find the overall gain? It is nothing but here V naught by V signal. So V naught by V signal is known as the overall gain, or we call it as GV. So how to find the overall gain GV? According to the formula here, overall gain is given by output part gain into input part gain. Means what we have to do? See, look at the equivalent circuit here. If you look at the equivalent circuit here, you have output port and this is input port. Output port gain into input port gain. You have to multiply these two gains. Output port gain is this one, you have to find here, and this is the input port gain we obtained here. So in order to first find the output port gain, you have to first find the equation for V naught. How to write the equation for V naught? To find V naught, AV naught into VI will behave as an voltage source, main voltage source. So if we apply voltage divider rule to V naught, it becomes V naught is equal to, here I have written V naught is equal to AV naught into VI into RL divided by RL plus R naught. I am applying voltage divider rule here. V naught is equal to AV naught VI into RL divided by RL plus R naught. So once you bring that in the equation, if you bring this VI to the denominator, it becomes V naught by VI. V naught by VI is nothing but your AV. AV is equal to what is AV naught into RL by RL plus R naught. You got V naught by VI. Okay. So V naught by VI is what? Output part of the gain. So output part gain I am substituting, I obtained here. Il mark madappa. Output part gain I got it. AV naught into RL divided by RL plus R naught. I have to substitute. Illi last. So here I have to substitute. I got it here. Now I have to find the input gain V in by V signal. Input gain equal, see, input gain is nothing but V in by V signal. How to find V in by V signal? Apply voltage divider to VI. VI is equal to V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Okay, I repeat, VI is equal to V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. But what is V in by V signal? V in, see, VI is the output voltage for the input port. For this input port, V signal is the input voltage. VI of course is the output voltage for port 1. So VI by V signal. So VI by V signal is what? VI by V signal,
GV.
I will obtain it as Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. So when you multiply this two, you will get V naught by V signal, which is nothing but your GV. Artha aita? Iga? Understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
GV andre eno? It is the product of how many ports gain? See, these things you have to understand very clearly. Nan sumne helkondu hogakagalla. GV is what? It is the product of
2 port gain.
Yaudu? Which are the 2 ports?
Output and input.
Output port gain. Output port gain is given by what?
V naught by V.
Vn.
Very good. And input port gain is given by what?
V in by V signal.
How to find the ratio? How to find the output voltage for output port? Apply voltage divider rule.
Voltage divider.
How to find the input port gain? Again apply voltage divider rule. So when you multiply
Voltage divider.
now from yesterday and today, which are the two types of gain we discussed? AV naught and AV. What is AV naught?
Open
With
circuit
RL,
voltage
without
gain.
RL.
Oh yes, very good. Open circuit, and somebody told without RL, it is very, very correct. Okay. So without RL is open circuit voltage gain, that is AV naught. And AV is with RL or without RL?
With RL.
Yes,
With.
very good. Now, please mark
With
characterization. Whatever I explained is characterization. This is sure question for exam. Okay, please mark it. Artha? So, what are the four properties we are discussing? R in, AV naught, then R naught, GV, four
AV.
parameters, and AV. 5 parameters we are discussing. What are the 5 parameters? Please repeat. Neha, please repeat. Yaudu? Input resistance, output resistance, open circuit voltage gain, then then the gain AV, then we are discussing about the overall gain GV. Understood up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we will do? Now we will go for another circuitry. Okay. So another circuitry, which one we are doing? E Ravi Shankar Eeg Banda. 1 second. Okay. So next we are coming to common source amplifier. Nodappa idu 100% sure question. Please mark it. Please mark it. Ravi Shankar? Ravi Shankar? Okay. See, now we studied characterization. See, what are the 3 configurations we studied in the previous class? What are the 3 main configurations?
Common base.
Common base. Putta, idu MOSFET, common source, common drain, common gate. You have to tell. Okay. So what are the 3 basic configuration? Common source, common gate, and common drain. Okay. So today we shall start characterizing common source amplifier. Means what we have to do? We have to pick one configuration, that is the common source configuration, and for that we have to find the, we have to characterize, means we have to find the properties, means we have to find the input impedance, output impedance, GV, AV, all that. Understood? Okay. So what are the 3 configurations?
Common source, common
Wait.
gate, common.
Yes.
Right.
So what we are doing? We are taking common source amplifier and we are characterizing it. Okay, what we are doing? We have chosen common source amplifier and we are characterizing. Characterizing means we are finding the parameters. So how to draw the common source amplifier circuit? See students, basically this is an N-channel MOSFET with common source configuration. See here, the source terminal is grounded. We have to take a MOSFET, make the source terminal ground. This is the drain terminal and this is the gate terminal. Please mark, this is the gate terminal, this is the drain terminal, and this is the source terminal. So source terminal is grounded. So I told, if it is a common source amplifier, where do we give the input? For a common source amplifier, where do we give the input? Yaru heltira?
Gate.
For a gate. For a common gate amplifier, where do you give the input? Common gate L input source. For a common drain amplifier, where do we give the input and where do we take the output? For a common drain, where do we give the input?
At gate input.
Gate.
Where do we take the output?
Source.
Source. Okay. Now, what we are doing? First step is common source amplifier. So for the common source amplifier, first thing we are applying the input to the gate. We are applying the input to the gate and the source terminal is grounded. Okay. So which is the input here? V signal and this is R signal. So there will be an input resistance RG, which is not shown here. So the drop across RG will be V in. Okay, I repeat, this is a MOSFET. The three terminals are gate, drain and source. Source is grounded. For a common source amplifier, we give the input to the gate. So V signal is the input voltage source, and this is the R signal, that is the resistance of this, and we are giving the input here. Suppose if I am giving 5 volts here, what is happening? That 5 volts is entering here. Now what happens? For a MOSFET, there will be a gate resistance RG, which I have not shown. You can draw it in the pencil if you want in your booklet. So the drop across that RG is V in. The drop across that RG is V in. And what I will do? I will connect the drain resistance RD at the drain terminal, and the other terminal is grounded. Okay. So what we have to do? This is the input part of the circuitry. That is why it is V in. This is the output part of the circuitry. That is why it is V naught. Aita, if you draw this circuit diagram, they will give 2 marks. Very, very important. How to characterize this? How to find the property for this? How to find the property? How to characterize this? Characterization means what all the parameters we are finding? R in, R out, AV, AV naught and GV. These are the 5 parameters we need to find. So for that, what we have to do? We have to draw the hybrid pi model. Very, very important. We have to draw the hybrid pi model or the AC equivalent circuit. What we have to draw? Okay. Yes, are you all here? Able to hear? Nidhi? Nidhi? Are you able to hear? Are you able to hear?
Yes.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what happens here? How to draw the AC equivalent circuit? So basically it is a common source amplifier. Shreyas, basically it is a common source amplifier. So which terminal is grounded, Shreyas?
And source is grounded now.
Yes, source is grounded. So what I'm doing, since I'm grounding the source, I will make this as the source terminal here. This part is the source terminal. Towards the left is the gate terminal. Towards the right is the drain terminal. So what I will do, I will make this as the source terminal. I will make this as the gate terminal. I will make this as the drain terminal. So this is source. This part of the circuitry is known as the input part of the circuitry. Yes, and this is illi gate to drain bariri. Okay, so this part is the output part of the circuitry. This is source. So this is the input part of the circuitry, and this is the output part of the circuitry. Illu bariri, gate to drain source bariri illi, right? GDS here also. Okay, so this is the input part of the circuitry. Okay, now this V signal is here. V signal I will write. Looking at the main circuitry, we have to draw the hybrid model. Here V signal we have, here also V signal. R signal is there, R signal is there. Here what happens? Here there is a resistance. Ilond resistance hakapa on salpa time being. This is the resistance RG. This is the resistance RG, which is the gate resistance. Innond ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ left ಗೆ ಹಾಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. So this is the resistance RG between the gate and source. Actually there will be a gate resistance between the gate and the source terminal. So why I have shown it open circuit? Who will answer? Prajwal, yakappa open circuit ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ? Nidhi, why I have shown it open circuit? Here actually there will be the gate resistance RG here. The resistance across between the gate and source is RG. This I have shown it open circuit. Why? Shreyas, Prajwal, Nidhi, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾರೋ 4C ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದಳೆ, ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ನಂಬರ್. ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Why I have shown open circuit here, Nidhi?
Ma'am, resistance is high, ma'am.
Resistance is very, very high in terms of infinity or mega ohm. So when the resistance is high, it behaves like an open circuit. Okay, but practically the value of resistance is not infinity. It will be very, very high in terms of mega ohms. Okay, so V signal, R signal, I have not shown the resistance. If I show also, not a problem. Since the resistance is high, it behaves like an open circuit. So what we will do, if I give V signal here, since the resistance is high, my input between VGS, my drop, that is VGS between gate and source, is equal to V signal or V in, means VGS will be equal to V signal. VGS will be equal to V signal. So still I have not told here what I will do. VGS is equal to VI means the drop between gate and source can be represented as VGS, or I can represent it as VI. I repeat, the drop across gate to source voltage is VGS, or I can denote it also as VI. VGS ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ VI ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I repeat, the drop across the gate resistance RG is denoted by VGS, or I can denote it as VI. Okay, so very, very important. Now the input part of the circuitry is over. So the input part of the circuitry is over. Let us draw the equivalent circuit for the output part of the circuitry. Please mark gate, source and drain here. Gate, source, drain. Please write the terminals here. Gate, source and drain. Okay, now what happens? Iga the current will flow from drain to source. Illinda ಒಂದು arrow mark ಹಾಕಿ ID ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the current flows from drain to source. ID ಬರೀರಿ, write it as ID. The current flows from drain to source. So the current flows from drain to source means that current is flowing from drain to source. I have shown it as a dependent source. Very, very important. Why I have shown it as a ಸಾಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Why I have shown it as a dependent source means the drain current ID is dependent on this VGS. Okay, so the drain current ID is dependent on VGS. So please write at one corner, ID is equal to GM into VGS. Always please write, illelladru bariri, ID is equal to GM into VGS. ID is equal to GM into VGS. Okay, so the drain current that is flowing is given by GM into VGS. Basically students, it is an voltage controlled current device. Here somebody has written, very good, it is an voltage controlled current device. So the voltage VGS is controlling the drain current ID. ID is given by GM into VGS. Very, very important. ID is given by GM into VGS. So I am showing the current ID GM into VGS. Where is the current flowing? From drain to source. The current that is flowing from drain to source. The current that is flowing from drain to source is indicated by GM into VGS. Yes. Okay. So since it is flowing from drain to source, the arrow mark is downwards. And which is this resistance? RD. I am showing the resistance RD as it is. But what is this R0? Very, very important. This R0 is the resistance if the device undergoes channel length modulation. See, for time being, you remember, with channel length modulation R0, without channel length modulation R0 is infinity. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ? With channel length modulation, CLN M, with channel length modulation, with channel length modulation, okay, what we will have? CLM, sako, CLM, with CLM you have R0. If the device has not undergone channel length modulation, I should not include R0. Okay, so this is small R0, very, very important. Shreyas, small R0 andre eno? When the device undergoes channel length modulation. If I am not showing the small and small
okay.
R naught, the device has not undergone channel length modulation. Okay. So look here, the resistance RD is between gate and ground. In turn, source is grounded. So I will write this to drain and the other terminal is ground. So ground is nothing but your source. Okay. And this R naught is the resistance due to channel length modulation. Okay. That exists between drain and source. Please make a note. When the device undergoes channel length modulation, there will be a resistance R naught between drain and source. Very, very, very important. Shreya, Yelirtama, resistance R naught when the device undergoes channel length modulation. Where is the resistance R naught between? Shreya L. Shreya L. Shreya L.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the resistance? Kelista idema, where is the resistance R naught?
Between drain and source.
R naught occurs due to channel length or without or with channel length? R naught is with channel length modulation. Okay, good. What are now we have to start characterizing. First, we have drawn the equivalent hybrid pi model. Then we have to start analyzing the property. So first thing is we have to find the input resistance Rin. Okay. So to find the input resistance Rin, so what we are doing, we are characterizing. Characterizing means what we have to do, find Rin, R naught, AV, GV, GV naught, all that we have to find. Okay. So first means, which is the first property? We have to find the input impedance Rin. So how to find the input impedance? Please write down. This ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ID is equal to GM into VGS. Very, very, very important. Throughout your engineering life, your ID is equal to GM into VGS. Very, very important. See here, how to find the input resistance? How to find the input resistance means, view the circuitry. ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರೋ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ. View the circuitry after V signal before VGS. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆರೋ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You have to stand here and view the circuitry. So when you stand here and view the circuitry, andre after V signal before VGS. VGS can also be denoted as VI. So when you stand and view after V signal and before VGS, you will find actually the resistance RG. That is the only first resistance you can find. That is the RG. RG means it is the resistance of the gate. So RG is equal to infinity or higher value. So your input resistance Rin will be equal to RG. See here, Rin is equal to RG. Since we have taken RG as very, very higher value, higher value, we will write Rin is equal to infinity or Rin is equal to RG. Understood? So how to find the input resistance? Stand and view the circuit from here. Where to stand? After V signal and before VGS. So if you stand and view the circuitry, the first resistance you can find is the gate resistance RG. So the value of the RG is very, very high. It can be either infinity or in terms of mega ohm. So your input resistance Rin is equal to RG, which is equal to infinity. So your input resistance Rin is equal to RG or infinity. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
ಈಗ one parameter ಆಯ್ತು. Next, how to find the output voltage here? Prithvi?
Yes, ma'am.
So how to find the output voltage? Voltage is given by current into resistance. Will you agree with that? V is equal to I into R.
Yes, ma'am.
R. ಆಯ್ತು. R ಅಂದ್ರೆ how many resistance are here?
2.
So what is the equivalence of this?
They are parallel.
Andre R naught parallel RD or RD parallel R naught. So V naught is equal to I into R. So R I will get it as RD parallel R naught. So what is I? I is nothing but your drain current ID. So V naught is given by ID into RD parallel R naught. But what is ID I told? What is ID I told? ID is written as what?
ID is equal to GM into VG.
VGS. Okay. So your V naught is equal to ID into R. ID is GM into VGS, and the value of R is given by RD parallel R naught. Okay. So what is your V naught now? Anyone, can you tell what is V naught? Prithvi, what is total V naught?
Ma'am, total V naught.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? V is
R
equal to
naught into GM into VGS.
R naught parallel RD.
Yes, ma'am.
R naught parallel RD into GM into VGS. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
VGS.
And look
Yes,
at the direction of the current. It is flowing from where? From here to here in the downward direction. So what we are doing, the current is flowing from drain to source in the downward direction. So we take it as minus GM into VGS. Athwa nange, if I apply KVL to this, you can make R naught parallel RD as one resistance, and you can make this as the current that is flowing from drain to source. So since if you apply KVL and solve, or easily I can say the current flowing is in the downward direction. So we define it as minus GM into VGS. So if I apply KVL here, if I apply KVL here, I will get it as minus GM into VGS into R naught parallel RD. So in our, instead of applying KVL